Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my short video today, I will show you some tips about how to export information from OpenBOM. OpenBOM in general allows you to export information in different formats, Excel, PDF. You can export structure, you can create zip files with all attached files. But today I want to address a particular use case when you will be exporting structured information, multi-level bill of materials, to Excel with all levels, and you organize it in the sorted order for components for each level. So let's start. I'm interested in this bulb and it's used in a particular assembly. So let's open this assembly. And now you can see that this assembly has multiple levels in OpenBOM. So I see it in the single level, but I can certainly go to multi-level. And I can see that there are sub-levels in this assembly. So you see those sub-levels are here. With some additional components, but what I'm interested is how to export it sorted. So let me show you how you do it. So I need to be in the single level, so you will get access to the sorting functions of the column. So you can sort anything, like you can go and use a sort. So let's do sort descending, okay? So that is my option, sort descending. And now I'm using export function. I will leave everything, keep Excel. I want multi-level and I want to use current sorting. So that's the trick here. You need to use both these options in single level. Then it will be also sorted, but it also will include multiple levels. And now I do export for the file, get this file exported. Now I can get to this export, open it with Excel, and let's see what we got in Excel. You can see it is descending order of the component in all sub-levels, and I exported all components in all sub-levels. So that was Oleg with OpenBOM, with a quick lesson how you can export data from OpenBOM in sorted orders and preserve all layers and sub-levels in bill of materials. So thank you very much for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.